In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a discount code on Gumroad, a popular platform for selling and buying products. Whether you're a maker looking to offer discounts or a buyer looking to snag a deal, knowing how to navigate this feature is incredibly useful. So let's dive in and make it simple and straightforward for you to use discount codes effectively on Gumroad. First, let's begin by heading over to the Gumroad website. Open your web browser and type Gumroad in the search bar or directly enter gumroad.com. Once the homepage loads, you need to locate the login button. It's usually situated in the upper right corner of the screen, so give that a click to start the login process. Next, you'll be prompted to log in. If you prefer using your Google account for quick access, select the option to log in using Google. Choose your Google account from the list provided, or if needed, you may need to enter your credentials. This option makes the whole login process a breeze by cutting down on the time spent entering passwords manually. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it houses various tools to help you navigate your Gumroad account. Now let's find our way to the checkout section. Think of this as the place where all transactions are centralized. Simply click on checkout, which you'll typically find in your account menu, ensuring you're in the right spot to manage purchases and discounts. Once you're there, scroll a bit and locate the new discount button. This is where the magic happens. Clicking new discount opens up the discount creation panel where you can start setting up your special offer. First, you'll want to give your discount a name. This can be anything that helps you remember what the discount is about, such as summer sale or holiday discount. Naming your discount makes it easier to track, especially if you have multiple offers running simultaneously. Next, you'll be able to customize the actual discount code. This code is what customers will use at checkout to receive the discount. You can make it something memorable or related to your campaign. After setting the code, navigate to the products section. Here you have to decide which products the discount will apply to. You can choose to select individual products, or you can apply it to all products, depending on your strategy. Finally, it's time to determine the discount percentage. Enter the percentage your discount will offer. Be mindful, as a larger percentage might attract more buyers, but could also impact your profit. Once everything's set, click on Add Discount. This will finalize your discount offer and make it available for customers to use. That's it, you've successfully learned how to apply a discount code on Gumroad. This feature can be a powerful tool for promoting products and increasing sales. Thanks for following along, and happy selling or shopping on Gumroad.